In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Noom app on Android. By the end, you'll have the app installed and be ready to start exploring its tools for weight loss, calorie tracking, meal logging, habit building, exercise tracking, and coaching support. Grab your Android phone or tablet, make sure you're signed into a Google account, and connect to a stable internet connection for the smoothest experience. Noom generally works best on devices running Android 11 or newer, though many slightly older devices will still work. First, open the Google Play Store. You'll find its icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a colorful play button. Once you're in, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll type the name of the app you want. Type Noom, weight loss and health, and pause for the results to load. Look for the official listing by Noom Inc. Verifying the developer name helps you avoid lookalike apps. You may also notice the familiar Noom logo, which can help you confirm you found the right one. Tap the app to open its store page. Here you can preview screenshots, read a quick summary, and check recent reviews if you'd like more context. When you're ready, press Install. If you're on Wi-Fi, the download should be quick, though it may take a little longer on cellular data. Make sure you have a bit of free storage space, as the Play Store won't install if your device is full. During installation, you might see permission prompts. Review them so you know what features the app will access. After the installation completes, tap Open. You can also find the Noom icon later in your app drawer or on your home screen. On the welcome screens, choose to sign in if you already have an account, or create a new one if you're getting started for the first time. Creating an account usually involves sharing a few basics so the program can personalize your experience. You can adjust notifications and permissions to suit your preferences, and you can change these later in your device settings if needed. That's it. You've downloaded Noom on your Android device and you're ready to explore. Start by setting your goals, logging your first meal, or syncing your activity to get the most accurate insights. If something doesn't appear as shown on your screen, it may be due to your Android version or regional settings. Just look for the closest matching button or label. Enjoy your journey with Noom, and thanks for watching.